The hands-on was one of the most valuable parts of this program. The College of Technology set students up perfectly for working in the nuclear field. I graduated in May of 22, and I'm now a facility operator at INL.
Nuclear operations technology is highly focused on preparing students to be ready to work safely and efficiently in the nuclear industry. And we are also one of only a few dozen universities in the country that has an operating research reactor that students are allowed to train on.
It was a shorter program than a 4-year degree. I wanted something more hands-on, more fulfilling, and then I found the nuclear operations program, and right from there I knew that's what I wanted to do. Everything you learn in this program is going to be applied to your career.
Our students have a really good reputation as graduates in the workforce, so there's high demand for the skills training and the hands-on experience we provide in our program. And most of our graduates are going directly into industry within 2 years of graduating, starting at 86,000 or higher.
The program and the instructors shape my confidence, their flexibility to come and work with me, having a one-on-one time with them, that helped me out a lot.
Graduates are very prepared when they enter the workforce. You get something called the Radiological Worker 2 certificate, and that allows you to work in a radiological area. And for my job, that is something I do every single day, almost all day.
Reach out to the coordinators that help you get enrolled. The value that you gain here will continue to help you learn, to help you grow, and to help shape and form that mentality that's needed for the nuclear industry.